Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be the last unboxing video for the rest of the year. So these items are from Nestlab. So yeah, let's see what's inside them. Let's get started. So yeah, it's the last one this year until January or February. Oh shit, I'm gonna break these scissors. I really packaged this really hard. Alright. Also, there's going to be an announcement at the end. If I can get this open. Oh my god, it really triple. There we go. Some ASMR for you guys. Whew. Alright. So, first item. WW1 German bayonet holder. So here. Shape of it. Alright. Next item. A shovel carrier. So I like it. Pretty cool. Yeah, got a lot of layers. Alright. Alright. Now to this little item. And so you guys keep opening it up. Ooh. So it looks pretty cool. Alright, shiny. It's not talking the reflection. Right. Now the big item. Okay. You can really see what it is. This belt buckle is a Prussian belt buckle from the First World War. The 1895 version. Alright, so alright, shovel. Look at this. Pretty neat. Whoa. Now this is a World War II shovel, but there aren't really any major changes to the World War I ones. But this one specifically World War II. It has a stamp. So guys, right here. Edge. The hilt. Alright. Okay guys, so this was the short one today. Exciting news. Tomorrow we are going to the Maginot Line in this uniform to Ouvrage Schoenenbourg, the Gros Ouvrage in Alsace in France. So we're going to give tomorrow a film. It's going to be really cool. I've been playing this out for months now. So it's going to be a lot of fun, really cool stuff. I'm getting really excited to go to the studio after all of it. So alright, that was it guys. Thanks for watching. This month there's gonna be 6 videos I think. Tomorrow we are going to film tomorrow. And I'll release the video on like Saturday or Sunday. Yeah. So yeah, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, have a good day, comrades. Bye.